In this video we will talk about natural dental care, herbal natural therapies for oral hygiene. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Natural dental care. Keep your mouth clean the all-natural way. So you think you need harsh chemicals to fight gingivitis, bad breath or tooth plaque? Not so. Natural therapies for oral hygiene can boost your gum disease fighting power both inside and out. Let's examine a few of the most popular natural therapies used today. Herbal natural therapies for oral hygiene. Certain herbs have antibacterial properties and can aid in your oral hygiene routine as well as make your breath smell a little sweeter. Essential oils of almond, peppermint and spearmint, for example, may all be rubbed around the base of the gums as therapies for oral hygiene. Tea tree oil has even more bacterial fighting agents than the essential oils previously mentioned as therapies for oral hygiene. Adding a few drops of tea tree oil to your toothbrush during regular brushing will leave your gums feeling clean and invigorated. Green tea has been credited for centuries as one of the best natural therapies for oral hygiene. The Chinese have long used green tea as an oral rinse for daily mouth care. Green tea contains powerful antioxidants that also help boost the immune system. Vitamin natural therapies for oral hygiene. Vitamin C is known to boost your immune system, and can aid in fighting the growth of anaerobic bacteria that cause plaque on your teeth. Of all the therapies for oral hygiene, vitamin C therapy also helps fight off other illnesses such as colds and flus. More natural therapies for oral hygiene. Ordinary baking soda is often accounted one of the best oral antibacterial substances out there. When brushing with baking soda, make sure the soda is thoroughly moistened, and that you aren't pressing too hard on the brush. For extra cleansing power, rinse your toothbrush in food-grade hydrogen peroxide before brushing. Common sense natural therapies for oral hygiene. Number 1. Brush after meals. Number 2. Floss between teeth every day. Number 3. Swish water between teeth to rinse food particles out, or better yet, use a water pick or oral irrigator designed for the job. Number 4. Replace your toothbrush every 6 months, and consider getting the electric kind for efficient cleaning. Battery-powered toothbrushes are inexpensive and easy to find if you're not ready to invest in a countertop solution. While all of these natural therapies for oral hygiene are helpful in preventing gum disease, you should still see your dentist twice a year for a thorough oral checkup. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.